I'm Amanda from Incorporeal Healing. I felt guided to make this video today because it's an issue very, very close to my heart. I recently had a client reach out to me, and she's right in the middle of a spiritual awakening. She's at the point at which her world is unraveling, belief systems are showing cracks, the veils between ideas and concepts she was raised to believe are being pulled back. That feeling of something's just not right here is one she can no longer ignore. That feeling of, I don't belong here and I don't want to be here anymore. I hear these statements several times a day from all different folks all over the country. So I wanted to address this in a video. She's a starseed. All of my clients are starseeds. I am a starseed, and I understand. I understand the loneliness, I understand the confusion, and I understand the pain. For starseeds, it is physically, emotionally, and mentally painful to be here because we remember. Our DNA remembers how it feels to be of a higher frequency. We, in fact, still hold these high frequencies, but there are rules, and we have to tone it down, so to speak. We expand and contract our frequencies infinite times a day to be able to stay in vibrational alignment with our environment and with the people in our lives. And that is a daunting task most of the time. But therein lies the mission, our mission. The idea of not wanting to be here on Earth anymore is one I understand all too well. As starseeds, we volunteer to come here and change the paradigm and raise the frequency of others and Earth itself. To awaken people, to bring our light and our frequency, we come here and agree to forget. Forget who we are and to forget what our mission is. We know that we will go through a painful period of separation and confusion, but that is only to teach us and prepare us for what's next. Starseeds are set and programmed to awaken at just the right time, and we have chosen this now to collectively come online. Some are awake, some are awake and groggy, and some are still asleep. But not for much longer. The alarm has gone off, and they've hit their snooze limit. It is the job of the awakened starseed to be a beacon for these individuals, which is already happening and will continue to happen naturally. For these individuals struggling now, more awareness will come and questions will be answered. I can tell you with the most certainty, the remembrance of your mission and true purpose will come. It will come when you are ready. It will come when you have accepted and embraced your truth. And let me tell you a secret. You cannot fail. You are already serving your divine purpose, just being who you are every day. Just know you are not alone, because we are, in fact, all one. And your soul tribe is out there, waiting to connect with you again. Expand your consciousness as far as it will go. Raise your vibration as high as you can. Shine your light so bright that those who need it will find you. That box that so many of us have tried to fit into does not exist. And it's time to collectively, energetically, and consciously come together and unite to build a reality without separation, without fear, without limitation. So even though it's painful, confusing, and lonely, my message to the starseeds: you are not alone. You are loved, and you are infinitely supported. Know that you cannot fail. All paths lead to the light. Much love to all. Thanks.